or this is where the harder work begins. We are 58 minutes in.
No, stop behind me.
Hiking up now in this open everywhere, following the red trail markers. Birds are chirping. Not any green trees anymore. Pretty much all bare trees here. Hardwoods. Sun is shining.
Really?
Sky is blue. Got some Simpsons type white puffy clouds. Pretty awesome. This point in the hike is great though because the woods change. I highly recommend checking out this mountain start to finish, some morning or afternoon, but it's also a great hike even if you just want to walk into that wooden bridge on a nice day.
I don't know the guy who had me
No
stopped.
hiking the mountain. Thanks 46 podcast. Keep checking back every Friday.
Yeah, no stop again.
New stories,
BMW.
new episodes.
It's a classic, but you
Remember
still suck.
to always leave no trace. Worth enjoying. They plan to arrive at the Santanoni Trailhead in the afternoon, then hike into the Bradley Pond.
You don't. You got yield. You got to yield, not the.
This way they could enjoy Friday.
Damn, you suck.
All day Saturday to hike. Sarah walked in front with Andy directly behind as the couple crunched their way down the mostly leaf-covered autumn trail. Just as they approached the Santanoni Express Trail split, a solo hiker came
How you
rushing
doing
down
behind
the
me?
trail, almost as if
You're
someone
kind of close
was
too.
Sarah said hello, but the
See if the tailgate repellent works here. Yeah, good. Back off. Yeah, why are you weaving around? You're scaring me. The bunkman's, the Jersey barrier's like right there.
we started basketball and baseball so you can keep up with the Celtics and Red Sox as well. Although I don't know shit about those prima donna sports. 6 to 8 weeks.
No U-turn. Really?
Get a fucking nerd.
What the fuck?
Those who want to play with the branding as quickly and abruptly as it began. Now the woods went quiet. Still. And the cold chill in the night air was gone. Unknowing what just happened.
Exit dive. I'm going to consider that an exit dive.
They couldn't lean to hope it was over. Temperature suddenly dropped once again and an ice cold breeze blew in. Was this a warning? Were the birds telling them to leave?
Seriously, why do you have to have your bright high beams on? You have to blind everyone that's on this frickin' highway? Why?
Much respect and props to her. My God, I hope I can do that when I'm older. It's incredible.
We say the same thing.
What?
I'm like, I don't know about that.
Yeah, it's like I'm 33.
Are you exit diving? What do you know? Of course. Florida from out of town. Probably lost. Yeah, definitely.
So now it's like when I finish the grid, it's like then what? Like now what do I do?
Oh, I get it.
Exit dive.
But there's also
And
like
I got
the
off.
excitement, and I can't wait to do.
Shot down, motherfucker! Fuck this guy. What's
Yeah, the stop sign is way back here, dude. I don't know what the hell you're trying to do.
Simpsons character. It's like fucking Bart all grown up. What are the fucking?
Yeah, straight from right turn lane.
Yeah, he's got like
Behind
a little,
me.
like thing going down. Turned it off because my wife was getting.
You done messed up, AA Ron!
Don't sweat it. Then she said, how about now? I said, yeah, a little bit there, but don't worry. It's probably just a piece of toast.
Exit dive.
Okay, window.
No stop. I think there's no stop up there.
It was Marcy. And the day before, we went to Split Rock Falls. I think it's in New Russia. You ever
Go!
Yeah, I've been to Split Rock. It's a good spot. I don't like going out of, like, there's something that's out of my control. Like going up big hills in a car and, like, that drop down.
And a red light run, too, because why not?
like in Split Rock Falls.
And I think that was a dive for the left turn
but I
lane
was
up
at
there,
point
too.
like two, though. I was
A bunch
like,
of people fucking up today.
The day before, we went to Split Rock Falls. I think it's in New Russia. You ever been?
Go!
Yeah, I've been to Split Rock. It's a good spot. Like,
Red light run.
Broadly speaking, now I'm not an expert on Buddhism. Tell me if I'm wrong, but
Red light run.
speaking, I don't think this.
On Friday, but I had to shoot something for a buddy.
Hello?
Right in the middle of
Really?
So I went up there and I did one of my favorite things to do, other than the fifth floor, where facing my father's aide, sit by the door as we confer with one another.
Red light run.
Occasionally looking over at me.
Oh, left turn regret. Cut off too.
There's a sudden ping and the doors slide open.
Nope,
Steps
way
in
up there.
without looking back.
There's no stop. And no signal either, because, you know, okay.
in 2.5 months.
No stop.
Like, I figured, like, I shouldn't go for it.
No stop.
But,
No stop. Connecticut. No stop. No stop. Screwbaroo. Campaign. No stop. Red light run.
You last week about protein intake are not universally true. These figures can vary depending on a lot of things. Okay,
Whoa,
great.
whoa,
So that
whoa,
guy
whoa,
last
whoa,
week who
whoa,
thought he knew all the
whoa,
fucking
whoa.
information.
Jesus
Now
Christ.
here's a guy who's saying he's an MD, and I have no
Really?
way of proving it. Proteins and healthy salts are